friends, welcome to Rushkeshwar channel. Today I am going to continue the yesterday's topic. Now let's continue the yesterday's topic. So yesterday we have stopped at exercise 3.1 fourth bit. Now we are going to continue the fifth one. So here the heading is which number among 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 divides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exactly. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 12,345. So this is the number. So here they are asking that which number 2, either 3, either 5, either 6, either 9 will divide 12,345 exactly. Here they are asking, and here is one more condition too. Write 12,345 in reverse order and test now which number divides exactly. So before we have done 12,345, now we are going to do 12,345 in reverse order and we are going to check with the given numbers. So let's start the solution. So here first they have given two conditions. Now we are going to solve the first condition. Which numbers among 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 divides 12,345 exactly. So let's solve the solution. So first we will take 12,345. First, here they have given the first number is 12. Let's check the divisibility 12. First we will write the number 12,345. So this is the number. So what is divisibility rule 2? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 should be there. In this number, any one number should be there in the ones place. So here shall we check the ones place of the given number. So in the ones place they have given 5. So 5 is not there in the given numbers of 2 divisibility rule. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not divisible by 2. 12,345 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so it is proved that 12,345 is not divisible by 2. So let's check the divisible by 3. So what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the given digits. So let's do the sum. So first we will write the number. So 12,345. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do the sum of the given number. So what is the 12,345 sum? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So let's do the sum. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. So 15 is divisible by 3, right? 3 5s are 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So 12,345 is divisible by 3. So 12,345 is divisible by 3. Now let's check the divisibility rule 5. So first we will write the number. So what is the divisibility rule of 5? In ones place, in the given number, in ones place, the number should be 0 or 5. then only the number is divisible by the 5. So let's check the ones place. Here they have gave 5. So 5 is the, so if the in ones place 0 or 5 is there, the number is automatically divisible by 5. So 12,345 is divisible by 5. So next, divisible by 6. First we'll write the number. So 12,345. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the all given digits. So let's check the sum of the digits. So the sum of the digits is same. The divisibility rules of 3 and 9 are same. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. So 15 is not divisible by 9. So 12,345 is not divisible by 9. Okay. So this is the fifth problem, first condition. So now I am going to write the heading 2. So first condition. So if you want to take the screenshot too, you can rewind the video and take the screenshot. So let's go to the next second condition. So next here they have gave one number, right, before we have solved. So we should write that number in reverse, and again we should check the number as well as in first condition. So let's do the process. So second condition. So first we will convert the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in reverse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number reverse form is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the reverse form. So let's check whether the numbers are divisible by the given divisible numbers. So let's check. First, divisible by 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Any of the numbers should be there in ones place. So let's check the number of ones place. Here is 1. So the number is not divisible by 2. Okay. Next number. What is that? 3. So let's check the divisible by 3. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the all digits. So let's do the sum. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So what is the sum? We'll check. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 1 15. Is divisible by 3. So 5 4 3 2 1 is divisible divisible by 3. So next divisible number is 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the divisibility rule of 5? In the ones place must be 0 or 5. Then only the given number is divisible by 5. So let's see the ones place. Here is 1. So that's why 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible. Divisible by 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the divisibility rule of 6? Okay. If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only the number is also divisible by 6. So here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3. So then the number is not divisible by 6. Okay. So next, divisible by 9. I already told you what is the divisibility rule of 9. Sum of the all digits. 9 and 3 are same. So let's do the sum. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 15 is not divisible by 9. So 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 9. So this is the fifth problem, second condition. So nothing is there. First given condition is, first we should check the given number. First it is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6. So this is the number. I have reversed. Nothing is there. First the given number we should check whether it is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. Then after we should reverse the given number and we should check again with the given divisibility numbers. So this is the second condition process. So now going to explain 6th bit. Okay. Okay friends. So now 6th bit is that write different 2-digit numbers using digits 3, 4 and 5. Oh. Okay, write different 2-digit numbers using 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here they have asked write different 2-digit numbers. What is the 2-digit number? Here they have gave some numbers. By using this we should write different 2-digit numbers. Check whether these which we have found the numbers. We should check that divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. They are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. We should check. So let's write the sum. So okay. So now let's form the first different 2-digit numbers. Here they have given the numbers are 3, 4, 5 they have gave. So let's form the numbers with that 2 numbers, the given numbers. Okay. So I'm going to form 34, 54. Okay. So 34 and 54 I have formed the different two-digit numbers. Let's check the numbers. So first divisible by 2. So 34 and 54. 34 and 54. So what is the divisibility rule? 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. If any of these numbers should be there in one's place. So 4 is there in these two numbers. So that's why we are going to write 34 and 54 are divisible by 2. So next divisible by 3. 34, 54. Let's do the sum. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 and 54, right? 54, 5 plus 4. So 3 plus 4, 4. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So 7 is not divisible and 54 is divisible. So let's write so 34 is not divisible, but that 54 is divisible by 3. So next with 5, 34 and 54. What is the 5 divisibility rule? I think you know. So in one's place 0 or 5 should be there, but in that two numbers, these two numbers, no number is there. So that's why 34, 54 is not divisible by 5. So next 34, 54. So let's check. So 34 and 54 are exactly divisible by 2, but in third table 54 is divisible by 3, but 34 is not divisible. So 34 and 54 are not divisible by 6. Okay. Now next 9. So 34. So again sum of all sides. Sum of the given digits. So 34. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 54 is going to 34. Then here sum of the 54 is 5 plus 4 is equals 9. So 7 is not divisible. So 34 is not divisible, but 54 is divisible by, so 54 is divisible by 9. So 34 is not divisible by 9, but 54 is divisible by 9. So that's it, class. dismiss. So with this bit, I'm going to end the class. But don't miss to subscribe and like, comment and click the bell button to my channel for more updates of my channel. Okay friends, bye. Have a nice day.